So, hello friends, welcome back to TrendSkool. Today, as usual, I'll be giving you four very important levels to trade Bank Nifty tomorrow, that is on 7th June. So, without wasting further time, let's start. So, friends, the two important levels on the upper side are 35,639 and the second level is 35,465. Now, the two important levels on the lower side are 35,117 and 34,943 respectively. So friends, first here you have to let the market open and observe for the first 15 to 20 minutes which direction is market shaping to. So according to that direction, you have to trade with reference to these four levels which I am giving you today. So friends, also to remind you, at the end of this month, we'll also be conducting a premium workshop where our expert, Mr. Arnav, will be telling you certain rules and will also be giving you a special tool or calculator to calculate these levels, because you need to know the rules of trading according to these levels. That is very important for you to avoid making losses. So friends, only this much from today's video. I've given you the important levels, so trade according to them. Subscribe this channel if you haven't, because if you aren't, you are missing great stuff. We'll meet sometime later with another new video. Till then, take care. Happy trading.